Welcome to Transition Lane Global Institute YouTube channel. If you're passionate about healthcare and ready to start a career that makes an impact, you're in the right place. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on all our training programs and success stories. Are you ready? We're proud to introduce our newest course, Ambulatory Surgery Sterile Technician. Ambulatory Surgery Sterile Technicians are essential members of the healthcare team, ensuring all surgical instruments are cleaned, sterilized, and ready for use in outpatient procedures. What you'll learn: sterilization and disinfection techniques, instrument handling and decontamination, setting up surgical trays and packs, infection control and PPE use, compliance with OSHA, HIPAA, and safety protocols. Because this program is fully self-paced and online, you can train anytime, anywhere, at a speed that works for your lifestyle. This program is designed for aspiring sterile processing technicians, entry-level healthcare workers, medical assistants or CNAs looking to grow, career changers looking for a fast path into the medical field. Why choose Transition Lane Global Institute? We offer more than education, we offer career-focused training. Our instructors are professionals, our curriculum is aligned with real surgical environments, and we support you every step of the way, from enrollment to employment. Enroll today in our Ambulatory Surgery Sterile Technician course, and take the first step toward a rewarding new career. If you have questions, want help enrolling, or just need guidance, contact or email us anytime. Be a certified Ambulatory Surgery Sterile Processing Technician. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates.